Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying where the compression shirt is baggy and why. Examine shoulders, chest, and hem so you know which area needs change. Once done, measure the excess fabric in centimeters and choose a method. Quick tuck, add elastic, or take in seams. Pin the shirt while wearing it to mark natural body shape, and use safety pins at 1/2-inch intervals to visualize final fit. Make sure to prepare thread and a sharp needle so you can begin immediately. You now address the core alteration by pinning new seam lines along marked areas, maintaining a consistent 1/4 to 1/2-inch allowance so stretch and compression remain balanced. Once pinned, stitch with a stretch-appropriate stitch or a narrow zigzag to preserve elasticity. If adding elastic, feed 1/2-inch elastic into a small slit, secure ends, and stitch down. After sewing, trim excess fabric and finish raw edges to prevent fray. Make sure to test fit between passes and adjust tension if needed. You finish by trying on the shirt and performing movement tests. Raise arms, bend, and twist to ensure the new fit holds without restricting breath. Once satisfied, press seams gently and top stitch if needed for durability. A light press also smooths puckers. If you notice uneven tension or puckering, loosen stitch tension or let out a small bit of fabric and restitch. One key troubleshooting tip: if mobility feels cut off, revert to a larger seam allowance or switch to softer elastic to restore range of motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.